Tuesday, January 16th. It's like noon right now, and I am having my first day of shadowing as an exercise physiologist, and I'm actually working in San Francisco for the next week. I got a new job, and I used to work north of San Francisco in Marin, but now I will be working in the East Bay in Oakland. I have 2 weeks of shadowing, so I'm in my scrubs and I'm walking to get lunch. It's honestly been a really good day so far. It was a really rushed morning. It was my first time taking the bus to work, which I love. Something I'm so excited about is that my commute for this job is gonna be a lot shorter. So I can drive, I can take the bus, I can take the BART, which is SF's train. Anyway, I'm just going to this cafe called Jane on Larkin, and I think I'm gonna get a sandwich and a coffee. Well, it's later and I'm rushing off to Core Power Yoga. It's a 6 p.m. class and I'm going with my friend Julia. I've been on such a Core Power Yoga kick lately because there's a studio like 4 blocks away from Sam and I. So I got a free week of classes. I'm making a TikTok about it and we're gonna go do sculpt. It's like 8 p.m. and really good core power class with Julia. Honestly, it was a little difficult. I think I like some of the other instructors I've taken a bit more. It just felt like the class dragged on until like the very last minute and then we recovered and I was like, okay, this is a lot. For dinner, I just threw together some ramen and frozen veggies and it's raining outside. And I'm gonna sit here, I don't know, watch YouTube, something like that. Just had a really good first day on the new job. It was really nice to like shadow and ease into things. I'm just feeling, I feel like I said this earlier, but so positive and optimistic about this new job. It just like everything about it already feels so much better. I'm hoping to vlog the rest of this week because I've been in a really good routine with working out, like going to Core Power and running with my friends. Okay, but last thing, I have been really into peppermint tea lately. I've been trying to only have 1 coffee a day. Today I failed. We'll try again tomorrow. I like the Trader Joe's organic peppermint tea. I think they also have like a spearmint, but I like to make this before bed. I just realized I should Google if it has caffeine in it. I don't know if it does, but I also made these cookies. So I'm gonna have 2 and I'm gonna leave 2 for Sam. This is the prettiest sunrise I've ever seen. Look at all those great colors. I want to cry. All right, a couple days later, since I last vlogged, it's Thursday, January 18th. I was just thinking about how my last vlog, I feel like I was really bubbly because I had a whole week off work and I was just bopping around the city running my errands. And now I'm back to work and things are good. I'm really liking the job so far, but I am tired. Coming home every day, tired, hungry, scared, and out of breath. This week has definitely been a healthy reminder of how much energy and planning and good timing it takes to like get to work on time, pack my lunch the night before, where and when I can squeeze in my workouts. But anyway, I just got back and I'm about to start a couple loads of laundry. I'm gonna go to a yoga class. I had my hair braided today. I bought some new scrubs, which I would have already shown a little video of that I'm pretty excited about. It's just a chill evening and I'm happy to be like back in my cozy apartment. Sam and I have these great big bay windows and we still have our string of Christmas lights up, which make me really happy. And I just like kind of cozying up and watching YouTube videos. So anyway, I thought I would show that this is a more realistic weekly vlog of being back to work and being tired and just like having more emotions come up about like new changes. I'll hopefully vlog a little when I go to Core Power later. On my way to yoga. And is anyone else sometimes a really impulsive eater? For instance, I was like, I'm gonna take this yoga class. I am hungry. I'll make a protein shake. And then as I'm walking out the door, I'm like, I need a piece of white bread. I inhaled a piece of white Wonder Bread that is now filling my stomach, and it's not bad. I don't regret it, but I'm gonna regret it in 5 minutes when I'm trying to fucking balance on one foot and my stomach is like gurgling. Like, why did I do that? Got my chicken salad, almonds, rice crackers, carrots, apples, cookie, tea. It is Friday afternoon. I think it's January 19th, and I'm on a little break at work. I have an hour between patients, and I'm breaking my New Year's resolution because I had my morning coffee, I had my afternoon tea, and now I want more coffee. Literally a mess. My boyfriend and I joke I didn't like coffee before I met him, and then I met him and started to drink coffee, and now I'm addicted. Now it's my personality, and I like to go 3 times a day. It's such a fun thing to do, go get coffee. So anyway, I'm going to this little French bakery, might be a chain, and it's starting to rain. On the mission to get an iced oat milk vanilla latte. But it's only a 6-minute walk. You can see the raindrops. Oh, they're big. Only a 6-minute walk from where I work. So I'm just gonna buzz over, get it real quick, and then go back. This was the best idea. Getting caught in the rain sucks sometimes because you get wet and it's like inconvenient and not always fun. I find it so whimsical and romantic. I love when it rains. It reminds me of growing up in Seattle, and I feel like it makes it very easy to romanticize a moment. Oh, and they had free postcards. Merci beaucoup, which I love a free postcard. But anyway, I'm having a really great day. Today after work, I'm gonna go home, do laundry, and then I think Sam and I are gonna go out with our friend Johnny. So that should be fun. I don't know where we're gonna get dinner, but I am looking forward to that. It's 7 p.m. Honestly, I've spent maybe 65% of the day on the couch. I just so looked forward this week to just doing nothing on the weekend. I had to take my car in to get the oil changed at 8 a.m., which sucked. But most of my time was spent here. And it was lovely. But anyway, now I have the late night urge to clean the apartment. So I think I might do that. I also had a great breakfast this morning, which I showed. It was like French toast with this really good thick bread that Sam bought, and some eggs and avocados. Chef's kiss. And then I worked out, and that was fun. But it has been raining in San Francisco. Like, it rained all day yesterday, all day today, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, which I love. I'm probably gonna finish off this vlog tomorrow, Sunday. It'll be a full week's worth. But yeah, now I think we do a tidy. The apartment's been cleaned, and I got a whirlwind of energy, which does not happen often. And I think I'm reminded tonight of how introverted I can be sometimes, of just like what an hour of alone time will do for me, because I have been blasting the Sabrina Carpenter song Feather, and it is so good. It just makes me want to like jump around and dance. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm going to my friend Julia's house. I don't know why I'm doing my makeup, because we're literally just gonna play Mario Kart. This song reminds me of my friend Brielle. I don't know if she has a playlist that she actually adds to, but every time I find a song that's good for cleaning and like jumping around the apartment and just getting really energized, I send it to her. Feather, that song has something in it because I'm addicted. And we're gonna listen to it right now. Alexa, play Feather by Sabrina Carpenter.
Feather by Sabrina Carpenter from Spotify.
Thank you. I'll get copyrighted if I leave too much in, so.
I'm a dream come true when it's all clouded for you. Finally cut you off.
That is so good. Okay, Alexa, stop. Oh, and one thing I forgot that I'm doing tomorrow, I'm doing a core power class, I think at 2:30, and then at 4:30, I'm taking a Barbie dance class, like the main dancing sequence at the beginning of the movie. I'm taking that. And I put out my clothes because they, of course, tell you to wear all pink. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. All right, it is Sunday, and I just got out of my 1:30 yoga class. Honestly, I woke up today in a very different mood than how I was last night. I was a bit sad and feeling more like grief-stricken. So I went for a walk to pick up my car because I parked it at my friend Julia's house last night. And then I went to Trader Joe's, I got groceries, didn't show any of that, but I called my cousin Kelly on the phone, and they're just, you know how everybody has like specific people that like no matter what mood I'm in, talking to her will always put me in a good mood and make me feel like better and more grounded. So anyway, I'm really grateful that I have someone like that in my life, especially my cousin. But anyway, I'm feeling good, especially after going to the yoga class, but I'm sad because the yoga class was an hour and a half long and I didn't realize that. So I don't think I'm gonna go to the Barbie dance class, which is such a shame because if I had known the yoga class was gonna go so long, I probably wouldn't have done yoga and would have just gone to the Barbie dance class. These are all first world problems, obviously. I'm gonna go home and make a yummy dinner. I found a fun looking recipe on TikTok. So we're gonna try that out. It has like chickpeas and kale and involves making like turkey meatballs. So should be good. Okay, it is many hours later and I just prepared the most nutritious, yummy looking dinner I've made in far too long. But there were so many steps. Maybe I'm just used to like easy, fast meals, but I made 3, one for Sam and then one for each of us to have for lunch tomorrow. And it was kind of fun. You make the dressing in the blender and it comes out really green. So I'll put a link to this recipe in the description. I guess I should try it first and see if I actually like it, but I found it on TikTok and I was like, I just really want to eat some more vegetables. And it was originally like chicken meatballs with kale, sweet potato, garbanzo bean, and this dressing. I only had ground turkey, so that's what I made mine with, but wow, I am so tired. Okay, it's later. It's like 10 p.m., 9:30. I wanted to show the scrubs I got off Amazon. I got this fun teal color, which I love. It's also, I think, one of the main colors of the company I work for in Oakland. Then I got this really cute purple set, which I'll try on. Okay, and then this is the purple one. I have to stand so far away to get a full body shot, but yeah, I really like them. I just got both of these on Amazon and I'm really excited to start wearing them tomorrow. Tomorrow is my first week of work at the clinic I'll actually be working at in Oakland. So I'm gonna try this week commuting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, driving and see how the commute is there and back. And then Tuesday, Thursday, I think I'm gonna try to leave the house really early and take the bus and the BART train. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. I've really been enjoying doing weekly vlogs like this, honestly, ever since I was doing quote Vlogmas for December. It just makes me feel more creative and kind of gives me like a fun project to work on all week, like capturing different videos, and then I enjoy the editing process too. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.